Hi guys, Graham from Garden Revamps here. We are now filming to get onto YouTube, and apparently my 10-year-old kids are coaching me. I ain't got a clue. They're the ones with all the followers and everything like that, so see what they know about me. So we have got Indian stone, 3x2 flags, stepped in a brick effect, just so you don't get no crosses in your weak points of your flags. Raised sleeper, nice little plants going in there, and then round this side shed base, but we're doing it Indian stone just in case it takes, I don't know, 2 or 3 months to get the shed that they want, so it don't look an eyesore with standard flags. And then we have turf in the middle, which you can't quite see yet, but we'll have a look at it. But this is the access that we've been having to deal with. These steps here, absolute nightmare. Standard new build houses where you've got nice 400 grand house, 20-foot wall, and then a garden, and then just overlooking Bottom Street. Absolutely crazy. Note's ever flat anymore with new builds, so it's part of the job. Just me on my own. 4:30. Lads have gone. They don't mess about. Let's see what we've done today. Camera's a bit crap at this time of night. We've worked a bit late today. Look at that. I'm just going to share this with you. Look at this. What a sunset. It's lovely. It's lovely. So today, God, they've locked all gates up and locks, haven't they? Proper locked gates. Look at this for the job. Top patio. Boom. So what we've got is main patio down here. Bringing in some more flags. Another 4 square metres here. All your soil starting to go in. There's a ton there. Just up there, believe it or not. There's a ton of soil. So I don't know how much that'll be. But yeah, that's it today. Done alright, to be honest. Laid out flags. getting dark now, I might not be able to see it, to be honest. Yeah. What a sunset. Lovely. Nice winter day. Right guys, I'll see you tomorrow. We will be bringing soil in. First half at day, second half at day following this patio on. I'm going to get this ready for turf tomorrow. This section, this L shape here. See you morning guys. Morning guys, third week in November. The cold has finally hit us. It's -2 this morning. De-icing all vans, and then you've got to de-ice your wife's car so she can set off in an hour, you know, because we're not rushing at all to get to work. It doesn't matter about us. So today we're just soiling up. We are hopefully going to lay the last 4 square metres of Indian stone, and then tomorrow will be the turf, which will be final wash down and done. Nice. We always tend to finish jobs on a Thursday. God knows why, it's just how it works. Start a new job on a Friday. Everybody thinks we're mad, we should have a long weekend and do this, do that, but nah, the diary's saying not. You need to work 8 days a week, 24 hours a day. But yeah, I'll show you how it goes today. See you soon. Tomo's coffee. Morning guys from Pudsey, once again. Absolutely freezing, and it's been snowing. So focusing on that, it's been snowing. Not a lot of snow, but part of being in Leeds, isn't it? Pudsey is higher than where I live. I were fine this morning. You get here, you just got to deal with it. So I've got some extra work to do. Go over into that corner. We are lifting the fence up. So double paling all the way around and all the way back to this corner here. Turf was supposed to be going down, but we just can't touch it. Can't touch it at all today, so we'll let it thaw out a bit. Come and do it next week. I think it's going to be 4 degrees. So yeah, we'll see you soon. Morning guys, made it to end of week. It's Friday, finally done a full week. And there's turfs here, but it's still -2, so we're just gonna leave it, I think. See what Saturday brings. I think my van needs washing, don't you? Not a joke. Right, let's go fence erecting. Coldest day, stand still. See where it brings, eh? Six-foot fence erected for a nice Friday, ready for the weekend. Just waiting for this bit to thaw out now. Ready to get his turf down. Nice 40 metres. Supplied by Palmer's once again. This bit's ready to cut a nice little curve towards step. Privacy there's worked well. Can't see any windows on houses. Just that one there. Little peeping Tom right over there. Right then guys, that's it. Friday's finished. Weekend's here. Get to Leeds match. Leeds versus Middlesbrough. Ooh, big game. Big game. So this week, as you've seen, we have been busy with a crap access. We don't get many of them, but you got to just take it on chin and just graft through it. So we've had a good week. We've been filling in, stoning up, fencing, turfing is still to be turfed because of the ice. Indian stone, and next week we have block paving, fencing, and then starting a big job, which is literally everything. It takes us to mid-January, I think, something like that. So yeah, should be a good week. See you next weekend guys, and have a good weekend. Stay safe.